Known as liquid gold, this rare oil has been cherished for centuries for its rich flavour, healing properties and beauty enhancing power. Asalamalaikum, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really special. I'm going to be showing you how argan oil is made, from nut to golden drop. I'm in Ourika in the Atlas Mountains, visiting a ladies' cooperative. This is Aziz, the owner, and a family friend who I first met in 2007. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey from tree to bottle, exploring the traditional, time-honoured process of making argan oil by hand. Please note, my visit today to this cooperative is not where the oil is produced. This is just a shop where it's sold from. The oil is actually produced by hundreds of females who work from home. So, with the help of Sana, who manages this establishment, we will explain the process of extracting the oil. Before we get started with the tour, Aziz kindly provides us with a traditional Moroccan breakfast of mint tea, umlu and honey. So here we have Sana, and she works at the cooperative and she manages this business, don't you? Yes, I hear.
Yeah, you can say.
And she looks after 500 women who work for them, all mainly from home, and she's going to give me a tour of their facility and how argan oil is produced.
Those here are the fruit of argan. The lotion, those it are here. In here inside we found like an almond. Or like this. Then when we broke the nut, we found inside of it nut. This is argan. I'm gonna show you that each tree it have a design on side of the fruit. Directly on the mullen here. This mullen here we make it with a stone and clay. It's too heavy that we take like this and we use in it time by time, so we need to do like this. And this one here, the edible one. As you say with me, the edible one here, it's different because we roasted a little bit those nuts here.
If I taste it, let's have a look.
I think that you're not gonna like it. So this one here, we put it on the mullen. We just turn like this, the same. And I'm gonna tell you the different. Also, you can see it on here. From here, we have this dot. As you see, different between color, texture, and also I will give you the smell. I hope one day you can put a part that you can smell from YouTube.
Scratch and sniff.
Yeah. And this one here, the cosmetic. From that we make a lot of product that's cosmetic, shampoo, shower gel, scrubbing, everything's cosmetic.
So that's what's left over after you've extracted the oil?
Exactly.
Okay. This part of the process slowly introduces warm water, and then the mixture is hand kneaded until the oil starts to separate. This takes time and requires some serious graft. The Mzeg people of North Africa have been using argan oil for hundreds of years, and the method for extracting it hasn't changed. Just 25 years ago, argan oil was in the main used only in local villages in Morocco, with the outside world unaware of its benefits. After scientific research established the true extent of its magical properties, including moisturising benefits on hair and skin, this spawned a massive new industry for Morocco. So you said you needed 75 kilos of fruit.
You've given us only 1
liter
from the oil. And we're not allowed to take the fruits only 2.5 months per year.
The harvest is only 2.5 months.
See here, it's oily. Zit, it means oily.
Newly formed women-run cooperatives quickly ramped up the production, from what used to be hundreds of litres for local use to now hundreds of thousands of litres, and being added to hair and beauty products and being sold worldwide. This has brought in much needed income into the Mzeg communities and improved their lives immensely. After all the hard work, this is what they call liquid gold. you would have to say the end result is worth all the effort. If you ever wondered why Argan Oil costs so much, you can do this for a couple of hours. This is hard work. Apart from the Argan Oil, this cooperative also produces a mind-boggling variety of cosmetic and medicinal products, all made from natural and organic ingredients.
Welcome to our cooperative that's affiliated with the Kingdom Majesty for helping women in difficult situations in their life. This cooperative made in a lot of products 100% natural. Like this one here, you can see that it's only herbs. It's a lotion for the hair that we have on this mix here: acros argan, rosemary, rose pita, red basilic and green basilic, and lavender. All this mix, it's helping your hair for growing up healthy and shine. This is hibiscus. Hibiscus, we use it for the cosmetic part, for coloring hair. Mint, that we use them on tea. And this one here, especially, that we use it if someone have the anemia. You know, I'm telling like medicinal and cosmetic.
You sound like a doctor.
Thank you. Human low, if I give it to you like this, you can smell. It's not smelling nothing. But when I'm gonna do like this, like broken it, you can see.
Oh yes. Oh wow.
This is, we use it for menopause.
Well, I don't need
For
that today.
unhappy people.
I don't need
I know
that.
you're a man for unhappy people.
Not today, anyway. I'll take it back for the missus.
Back from a fish that we called it sage, yeah. That we use in it for cleaning our teeth, making them more white, taking.
So you make a powder from this?
Exactly.
Okay.
This is here, it's natural curtain that we do like this, and we take only one, and we clean our teeth.
Oh wow, okay.
Basic Berber white.
Wow.
We have the potpourri. Potpourri here, as you see, mixture by color. As you know, side by side. So now here we have a mixture. It looks like peanut butter. It tastes a little bit like peanut butter, but it's more vitamins than peanut butter, because here we have virgin almond, argan oil, and orange honey. This mixture, we use it in breakfast especially, or when we are hungry. Here we have argan oil, the edible one. Argan oil, the edible one, we never cook with it. We always using it in cook, use it on a toast, on a salad. But like a secret for us as a Berber, we use a little spoon of it morning before nothing, for making our weight being stable. The cosmetic one, we use it for hair, face, body, nails, eyeshadows, for everything that we use this. And this
I know what that is. The ladies love that.
yeah, all ladies love that. But I'm gonna tell you something to know exactly the true one. How is it?
Okay.
The true one, I don't have any liquid. I'm not gonna do like this or something like this.
Licky, okay.
Nothing, only like this. My finger. And how much that I want, it's giving me. Here we have an oil especially for men.
I don't need this.
Okay, we know. But maybe because this one is not only for growing up, it's also if you have two colors or
okay.
too many colors. It's natural shampoo like this about the texture. And I'm gonna show you something on my hand here to see. It's gone. It's natural. There is no paraben.
Okay.
We have traditional Moroccan soap. This one here. This one that we use it especially for scrubbing our body. Only by soap like this, we using it and doing it warm water and scrubbing with those scrubs. We have the ginseng, Mansard, slimming, menopause, diabetic 1, diabetic 2, anti-stress, constipation, pain in period.
Sana, thank you very much for the tour.
You're so welcome.
Much appreciated.
You're so welcome.
And now I think it's time to do some shopping. If you liked this behind the scenes look, give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you've ever used Argan Oil. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about future videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.